Hey, what's going on everybody? Josh Quinones here again from Samsung's Unpacked event, and this is just a quick comparison between the Galaxy Note 10 Plus and the Galaxy S10 Plus. Now, one of the main noticeable differences here is the shape of both devices. As you can see, the Note 10 Plus has more of a box shape to it compared to the more rounded look of the S10 Plus. And honestly, I really like it. Although the S10 Plus does feel better in the hands because of the more rounded corners, the Note 10 Plus is also bigger as well, coming with a 6.8-inch display compared to the S10 Plus's 6.4-inch display. So yes, definitely a bigger display, but the phone itself doesn't feel too much bigger, and I think that's maybe because of the thinner bezels that it has. Either way, both beautiful looking displays. They are also both running the same Snapdragon 855 processor, so nothing really new there. We've seen it already on the S10 and the S10 Plus. Now, what I do like about the Note 10 Plus is the selfie camera placement. It's smaller and right in the middle. Now, if we're talking picture quality, we're just gonna have to wait until I get my official device so I can compare the two. Now, around back, there is obviously a difference in look there with the cameras. You got the 3-camera setup on the Galaxy S10 Plus horizontally, and then a vertical setup on the Note 10 Plus. Now, there has been improvements to the cameras on the Note 10 Plus, and they have also added a time of flight sensor, which is really cool, and some other cool new features as well, which will be covered in my full review. Now, one thing that the Galaxy S10 Plus has over the Note 10 Plus is the headphone jack. Me personally, I like it, I use it, it's just always nice to have. And seeing how it's gone on the new Note device is just a bummer. Either way, both are beautiful looking devices. The Note 10 Plus, of course, has the S Pen with some really great features. Go check out my hands-on video if you have not already. I did show how some of those features work. I think if one is trying to decide between the two devices, you got to think, do you really need the S Pen? Do you want the headphone jack? Do you want more of a rounded phone that fits better in the hand, or a more boxy phone with a nice, big, beautiful display and the selfie camera in the middle of the display on top rather than pushed off to the right corner? There are some things to think about when trying to decide between these two devices, but this was just a quick comparison to give you all an idea of some of the differences. When I do get my official device, I will definitely do an in-depth comparison. Now, I want to quickly thank the sponsor of this video, Rinky. If you're not sure who they are, let me quickly tell you. Rinky is a case manufacturer that makes great quality cases at an affordable price for all types of devices. They look great and provide great protection as well. I've done plenty of drop tests with these cases, and they always protect the device very, very well, leaving no cracks or scratches. They have plenty of cool options to choose from, like the ones I have here and more. And if you find yourself interested and want to pick some up for yourself, especially for that new Note device, I'll make sure to drop a link down in the description below. So there it is, y'all. Let me know what you think down in the comments sections below. Let me know what phone you think is best in your opinion, just based off of this quick comparison. Thank you all so very much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thank you so very much for watching. This is Josh Quinones, and I will see you on the next one. Peace out.